Hey everyone, welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. Today we're going to be making a champagne cocktail called Prosecco Mint Julep, a sweeter, sparkling version of the classic mint julep. For ingredients you'll need Prosecco, or in my case a dry sparkling wine, an easy drinking bourbon such as Buffalo Trace or Maker's Mark, then rich simple syrup, Angostura bitters, and some green mint, which I've carefully plucked, and a small mint sprig to garnish. Without further ado, let's get to it. Grab your small shaker and start by adding all your mint leaves, about a dozen. This drink can be made entirely in the glass without a shaker, but I'm not huge on mint leaves going out my straw, so I'm using double the mint and will be shaking and fine mesh straining. Then a dash of Angostura when nobody's looking, because I forgot to film it. Grab your go-to jigger and start by adding a half ounce of rich simple syrup, which is 2 parts sugar to 1 part water. Then an ounce of bourbon, add a large cube and begin shaking for a good 30 seconds to a minute. It's a large enough cube you won't get too much dilution, but the extra shake will further express the mint. Next, grab your Louis bag and mallet, more commonly referred to as a Lewis bag, and crush the cube right out of your ice. If you don't have one of these or a pebble ice machine, you're going to want to use the smallest cubes possible for your drink, and maybe consider adding some water to your mixing cup for added dilution. Grab your fizz, Tom Collins, or double rocks glass and fill it with crushed or small ice. Fill your glass about halfway with your sparkling wine or Prosecco if you like it sweeter. I like this Grande Cuvee, which I'll name in the description, as it's as close as you'll get to a champagne with a much smaller price tag, giving the cocktail a more balanced flavor profile in the process. Drain your shaken cocktail into your glass. Top with a bit more sparkling and garnish with a mint sprig. Cheers.